This video goes through how to enter water quality data into the SWIMS database. As of May 2025, the SWIMS database has a new login system. Any usernames created before May of 2025 will no longer work to access the system. We have a separate video that shows how to create a new username and link it to a previous account in the database. Please reach out to us if you need any help creating a new account or entering data. The first step to enter data is to go to the SWIMS database homepage and click the Sign In button under the My Wisconsin ID header. It'll then ask you for your email address associated with your account, so enter that and click Next. Then enter your password and click the Verify button. Then click the Receive a Code via SMS button to have a text message with an access code sent to your phone. Now enter that code in the box and click Verify. This is the home screen of the SWIMS database. To enter new data, we can go to the Fieldwork button and click New, or go to the top and click Submit Data and then Submit Data again. Either way, it's going to bring you to this Create Monitoring Data page. The first thing we need to do is select the correct project for our data. So you may have only one project or you may have many. I found my project in the list. I'm going to choose my name. And the station and the form should automatically fill in according to the project that you selected. So now you just have to put in the start and end date. You don't need to put anything in the document box. The Fieldwork comment box is for any information that might be useful to someone looking at this data later, especially if something may have impacted the results of your monitoring. For example, there may have been a heavy rainstorm the day before your monitoring event, so the water clarity may have been reduced because of water washing sediment into the lake. That would be something that you'd want to put down in the Fieldwork comment box. You could also put information about the weather conditions that day, or recreational use of the lake that day, or the names of other people that assisted you. Then click the Next button at the top. This is the page where we'll enter the results of our monitoring effort that day. So our water clarity reading was 12.5 feet. The Secchi disc did not hit the bottom. Water level was normal. The staff gauge box here, if you have an actual surveyed staff gauge that gives you a numerical value for the lake level, you can put that here. Otherwise, just leave that blank. The water appearance was clear. Color was blue. The perception of water quality is your opinion of the aesthetics of the lake that day, especially relating to the amount of algae in the water. So choose a ranking between 1 and 5 from the list. The last box is asking if you collected dissolved oxygen information with an electronic meter, did you calibrate that meter the same day? Now you can click the Save button to save the information and stay on the same page. The Save and Return button saves the information and takes you to the View Data page, where you can see confirmation that the data was entered. Or you can click the Save and Enter Temp DO profile to enter temperature and dissolved oxygen information. On this page, we'll first select the units of measurements that we took. So we measured depth in feet, temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, and dissolved oxygen in milligrams per liter. Then we'll enter our information that we collected. This screen automatically has 10 rows, but if you need more rows for your data, you can always click the plus button here, and that will add more rows for your information. Once you're all done, you can click the Save and Return button. That will bring you back to the View Data page, and then you can log off by clicking the arrow in the upper right. If you have any questions about lake monitoring or data entry, please contact your local Citizen Lake Monitoring Network coordinator or email lakesupport@uwsp.edu. Thank you for monitoring your lake as part of the Wisconsin Citizen Lake Monitoring Network.